Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make restaurant-quality burgers. First, let's talk about the foundation, the meat. For truly exceptional burgers, select ground beef with an 80% lean and 20% fat ratio. This balance ensures maximum flavor and a wonderfully juicy texture. When forming your patties, be gentle. Aim for about 3/4 of an inch thick. A small dimple in the center will help them cook evenly and prevent that common burger bulge. Next, let's master the seasoning and cooking. Season your patties generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. For that perfect crust, use a screaming hot cast iron skillet or a flat-top griddle. Cook your burgers for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare, or adjust to your preferred doneness. This high heat creates an incredible sear, locking in all those savory juices. Now, let's talk about elevating your burger with cheese and toppings. For that irresistible gooey factor, add a slice of your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking, allowing it to melt beautifully. Don't forget to lightly toast your burger buns on the same hot surface. This adds a crucial textural element. Finally, gather fresh, high-quality toppings such as crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and tangy pickles to complete your masterpiece. Finally, the grand finale, assembly and serving. To truly savor your hard work, assemble your burger immediately after cooking while everything is still warm and fresh. Start with the patty on the bottom bun, then layer with your perfectly melted cheese, fresh vegetables, and any desired sauces. This thoughtful layering ensures every bite is balanced and delicious. Serve your incredible, restaurant-quality burger with a classic side, perhaps some crispy fries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.